we're the Mini Pop Kids. I'm Glee, and this is Paxton. And are you guys gonna dance with us today? I know you know this song. It's Dance Monkey. So let's get up on our feet and let's dance. All right, ready? Let's go. We're gonna start with kicking. To the left, kick to the left, kick to the right. Again. That looks great. Now step to the right, to the left. Oh yeah, you look amazing. Let's kick. Kick to the left, kick to the right. Keep it up. Now step, bang, bang. Step to the right, step to the left. Are you having fun? Crisscross, crisscross. Oh, you look great. Let's do it again. Step, step to the right, step to the left. Oh yeah. Bang, bang. Let's go to the chorus. They say, dance piano throw, dance piano throw. Oh, that looks great.
I've never seen anybody
pick up your feet, pick up your feet. They say, dance piano throw, dance piano throw. Oh yeah, now we're gonna slide to the right. Slide arms up, slide arms up, slide arms up. Now let's move back to kicking. Kick to the left, kick to the right. You guys are looking great. Now let's step, step to the left. Oh yeah, kick to the left, kick to the right. You guys look awesome.
But you just beg to see me dance just
you guys look great. Points. See. Step. Oh yeah. Crisscross. Crisscross. You guys look amazing. Keep going. Step to the right. Step to the left. Oh yeah. Bang. Oh yeah. Ready for the chorus? They say, dance piano throw, dance piano throw, dance piano throw. Oh yeah. Pick up your feet. Pick up your feet. Oh yeah. They say, dance piano throw, dance piano throw. You guys look great. Slide to the right, slide to the left, slide up, slide arms up. Now you're gonna pose. Ready? Pose, pose, pose. Oh yeah, you guys are awesome. Let's chorus. Say, dance piano throw. Keep it up. Give me all you got. Dance and throw. Now, pick up your feet. Pick up your feet. Pick up your feet. They say. Dance piano throw. Dance piano throw. Dance piano throw. Oh yeah. Slide to the right. Slide. Let's get ready to pose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pose. Amazing job, you guys. You guys look so great. Hope you guys join us again soon.